Hey guys, Leah here, and for today's project we're going to be chalk painting this outdated buffet table in a fun mustard color. All of the products used will be in the description below. The top was veneer, so I stripped and sanded very lightly. Then I wiped on the stain with a rag and then I wiped it off. I mixed a mustard chalk paint with just a splash of blue to deepen the color, and then I painted the base coat. The base coat doesn't need to be perfect, so I just painted it on because I knew we'd be covering it up. Also, if you like this video, please take a second to hit subscribe below and then tap the bell so you never miss a video. For the next coat, I wanted to do a little bit of blending. I added a little more blue to the mustard and painted that around the edges. Then I painted the middle with the untinted mustard and then mixed a little white in for the center. I sprayed my flathead blending brush with a little water and then I started blending. I focus on the section where the two colors meet and then I start blending back and forth. I move up a little bit into the darker color and then back down, trying not to blend on the outer edges so that they stay the darkest. There's no right or wrong way to blend. You can add more water and blend it more if you'd like, or you can blend it less.
It's totally customizable, so you can change it depending on what look you're going for. For the legs, I really did not want to sand them down, so I applied gel stain. I brushed it on with an old brush, and then I wiped off any extra.
I used a product called Wax to seal this piece. It's like wax, but it doesn't need to be reapplied every few years, and it doesn't require any buffing. You just paint it on and it dries clear. I spray painted the hardware black and then screwed it back on. Here's the buffet all finished. I love how it turned out. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you next project.